day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the C29 Pro Smartwatch. The last video that we have is all about the menus and features, as well as the design and specs. This time we are going to explore more about the smartwatch by pairing it with a support app. This smartwatch is using the HRYFine application based on the QR code here on the user manual. As you can see here, we have the HRYFine app. We are going to pair it with the C29 Pro on the Android smartphone. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo of pairing of the C29 Pro to the HRYFine app on Android platform or Android smartphone, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Again, subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay, so let's start. Again, the QR code is available here on the support app or in the user manual. We also have it here, okay, on our smartwatch. Okay, let's check. QQ, Facebook, Twitter. I think it's here. Yes, we have it here. We have the QR code. Anyways, we are already familiar with the support app. And of course, we will just search it on Google Play. We'll not scan a QR code anymore. So let's search the HRYFine app on Google Play. So we have here the Google Play. Just search HRYFine app. Okay, so let's search. And we have here the app. Okay, and as you can see here, it has over 10 million plus downloads. It is very popular. So let's tap on to install. Let's wait for it to finish downloading and it will automatically install the app on our Android smartphone. So it is 75.98 MB in size. So let's wait for it to finish downloading. As you can see here, it has finished downloading and it's now installing the HRYFine app on our smartphone. So let's wait for it to finish installing the support app for our C29 Pro Smartwatch. Okay, so in just a few minutes, I think, or seconds, we'll have the app ready. And now it is completely installed. So let's open the app. Tap on open. So we have here our first permission. Allow HRYFine to access your physical activity. We'll allow it. Access your phone call logs. This is needed for your Bluetooth call, but if you don't like to activate the Bluetooth call, you can disable this one. We'll allow it. Access your contacts and relative position of nearby devices. Make and manage phone calls. Send and view SMS messages. Access photos and media on your device. Seems like every permission has been activated. So we will not register. All we have to do is just log in directly. But if you want to record your activities, you have to register. So we have here our account number and password. Then let's confirm. Let's confirm. Let's put a nickname here, just a temporary nickname. Then confirm. Please enable notification usage permission. Go to set. Let's activate the HRYFine app. Allow. Then go back. Okay, so we are now on the UI of our C29 HRYFine app for our C29 Pro. And as you can see here, we have 4 main menus: health, data, exercise, and me. Okay, if you want to pair your smartwatch, go to the me section, and as you can see here, we have our previous smartwatch here. So let's add a new device. Allow. Okay, let's activate our Bluetooth. It's already activated. Let's activate our location permission. Then that's it. Go back. The process of use this application needs to access. Already activated it. Anyways, let's see. Let's make it sure we have our location here. Okay. So that's another permission for our location. Then add device. It will now search for our smartwatch. So let's wait for it. Okay, it will search for our C29 Pro. Okay, we have here a smart. I'm not sure if that is our smartwatch. Okay, so let's make it sure. Okay, we have a MAC address here. So let's go to the about section of our smartwatch. General, about. We have the same address, Bluetooth address here, 4142.20.DA78 1C. Okay, so this is our smartwatch. Tap on the smartwatch to pair it with a C29 Pro. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Okay, and seems like we are successfully connected with our C29 Pro smartwatch. So let's see. Okay, device settings, find my watch, and we have it here. So we are paired. Previously, we already activated some of the permissions for the smartwatch. So let's make it sure. Tap on message notifications, and as you can see here, most of the app here has been activated. You can disable some that you don't use. Okay, and this one, Telegram, let's activate this one. Okay, so that's it. Confirm. After opening all applications, turn on reminder. Will not activate that one. Then let's check this one. Let's see. So if you don't like to use 24-hour system, you can also disable it. Okay, but if you like, you can also enable it. Okay, so let's disable this. Language system settings, follow system, synchronize time. Okay, alarm, phone book. If you want to activate the Bluetooth call, you have to add a phone book or a phone number on your smartwatch. Okay, so far that's the steps on how to pair your C29 Pro smartwatch to the HRYFine app on the Android smartphone. So we have successfully connected, and seems like it is stable so far, as you can see. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo pairing the C29 Pro with the HRYFine app, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time.